Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. Now we will tell you news about Polkadot cryptocurrency. Polkadot, Cosmos, Gala price analysis. In the past few days, there has not been a clear trend for the crypto market. The trend has been bearish, but when Bitcoin broke above the $39.4K, the near-term outlook appeared to have shifted to a bullish bias. Now, BTC was trading at $39.2K at the time of writing, and certain altcoins like Polkadot and Gala exhibited a range formation for the past few days. Will the range lows be revisited, and are bulls strong enough to exert some buying pressure? DOT formed a range, yellow, between $16.17 and $17.57 in the past few days. It appeared to flip the range highs of $17.6 to support in the past 24 hours, but has since experienced heavy selling. It traded at $16.9, just above the $16.81 support. The RSI to IV below neutral 50 and the RIN indicators showed that the bullishness of the past couple of days had ended. The midpoint and the range lows could offer support for DOT in the next few hours. For Cosmos, there have been three levels of importance in the past week. These were the $27.7 support area, and the $29.8 and $31.5 resistance zones. In the past couple of days, ATOM found demand at $27.7 and had an impulse bullish move to $31.5. It was expected that $29.8 had been flipped to support, yet the recent selling forced price to move back toward the $27.7 demand zone. The awesome oscillator crossed over beneath the zero line to show bearish momentum, while the CMF stood at -0.24 to show significant capital flow out of the market. Gala also formed a short-term range, yellow, on the charts. At the time of writing, it had fallen below the $0.223 level. The OBV showed that sellers have been dominant in the past week. There was some pushback from buyers in the past couple of days, which saw the MACD climb past the zero line, as Gala rose from the range lows at 21 cents to $0.235. Once more, the range lows could be retested by the price. The MACD was below the zero line once again as bearish momentum solidified. So next news. Why Polkadot's recovery might just depend on this metric's 3-month high. Polkadot and its pair chains have created a niche for themselves in the DeFi space, cumulatively accounting for $1.31 billion. And, looking at the investors' response to these pair chains, it seems like their auction will play a major role in pulling Polkadot out of its price slump. Going once, going twice, and Affinity, the winner of the 6th pair chain during the second round of pair chain auctions, is scheduled to be onboarded on Engine on 11 March. But 3 days to go still, Polkadot is already exhibiting some bullishness. Even so, with the broader market still in a state of fear, prices have more or less consolidated for a while too. In terms of development, Polkadot is looking at the next pair chain auction ending in 2 days which, by the looks of it, will be won by Nodal. Ascribed to be crowdsourced, decentralized IoT, Internet of Things, network, Nodal intends on leveraging Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, via millions of smartphones and routers to allow enterprises and smart cities to connect IoT devices to the Internet. Voters seem to be liking the possible implications of this project, which led to heavy support in favor of it. Its closest competitor was the cross-chain money market Equilibrium. All in all, with Nodal looking to win the next auction by 11 March, DOT prices already seem to be improving. The squeeze momentum indicator, for instance, pictured the first green bar in more than 2 weeks. Furthermore, with the ADX climbing above 25.0, the active trend could see more strength provided the trend changes to an uptrend. In fact, there is an actual possibility of recovery beyond just positive price indicators, as investors' sentiment is now at its best since the crash in December. As soon as the same turns positive, the possibility of a rally recovery would become stronger. However, to draw investors back in, Polkadot will need to show some sustainability. Currently, the market value of Polkadot is stuck under the bearish zone under 1.0. Also, the returns on investments are negative beyond acceptance. Ergo, once that changes, Polkadot might just be in a significantly better position on the price charts. Polkadot price eyes 25% rally, while DOT remains subdued by 50-day SMA. Since December 27, 2021, every minor uptrend of Polkadot price faced rejection at the hands of the 50-day SMA. The most recent rally reversed after nearing the same hurdle on March 1st. The resulting retracement will likely push DOT to retest the set demand zone. A bounce off this barrier will be vital in triggering an uptrend for Polkadot price. Interested investors can open a long position at $15.66 and look to cover at around the 50-day SMA again at $19.75. Market participants should note that, in some cases, DOT might extend this leg to retest $20. In a highly bullish case, DOT might even make a run at the $22.23 resistance barrier, bringing the total upswing from 25% to 41%. While things are looking up for the Polkadot price, a daily candlestick close below the $10.37 will breach the 3-day demand zone and create a lower low. Such a move will invalidate the bullish thesis and open the path for bears to reign supreme. In such a situation, Polkadot price might slide lower and retest the $10.09 support level, or $8.31 barrier, from where buyers can attempt a fresh recovery. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot price prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot course prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT price forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT price prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot end 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover